Guys, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten. 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 Bria Van Kooten, and welcome back to my channel, y'all. Guys, you can see my face. Hey guys, good morning. It is another week, another vlog. We're back with another one. It is Monday. It is May 26th, 2025. I'm up. I've been up since like 6:30 a.m. My body just woke me up automatically. And then I kind of forced myself to go back to sleep. And then I woke up again around 7:50 a.m. And then I just got up, made some breakfast, cleaned, and just got ready. Still at my parents' house. I'm in the basement right now. But I'm about to head out with my brothers because if you've watched my previous vlog, you know me and I have two younger brothers. The one after me and him shared an apartment, and he got his own apartment at the beginning of the year, but he still hasn't like officially moved everything out. So today me, him, and my youngest brother, our youngest brother, we're about to go move him officially over to his apartment. So we're about to go do that right now, and then I'm gonna come back to my parents' house, chill, and then tonight I'm going to a Cowboy Carter party. But since I'm not going to the concert, let's go to a Cowboy Carter party. Hey guys, it is a lot a bit later because it's 8:45. I've been out literally all day helping my brother move. We've been literally out all day. I got back to my parents' house around 7:15. I ate, I took a little nap, I got up, I took a shower, got dressed, got ready. I'm getting ready right now. I was like, I wanted a little pre-game before I head out. I forgot I had made this Sir Davis lemonade, so I went to go pour out the rest and drink it. So a little pre-game before I head out, give me a little boost of energy. So, and I'm going to a Cowboy Carter party, so why not drink some Sir Davis? You know, why not? So yeah, I want to come in and check in, say hey. Like I told you guys, I'm going out tonight to a Cowboy Carter party hosted by some of the, I'm assuming it's Beyonce's background dancers for Cowboy Carter. It's hosted because, you know, they're in New York right now. They had their show over the weekend, Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday, and then they have two more shows, Wednesday, Thursday coming up. So I believe it's hosted by them. So it definitely should be a good night. Definitely excited to go out. I wanted to come on here real quick, say hey before I finish getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing, and then I'm gonna skedaddle. I'm meeting my friends Nia and Camilla there. Should be a great night. My outfit is cute. It's definitely kind of what I would have worn if I went to the Cowboy Carter show. Besides, I'm wearing pants, but instead I would have worn this skirt. But I'm not gonna wear the skirt to the party. But I was like, I'm gonna switch it up with some pants. But yeah, let me finish getting ready, and I'm gonna head on out. Hello guys, it is another day. It is now May 27th. It is exactly 2 months until my birthday. My birthday is July 27th. It's crazy how it's another birthday. Like, time is flying. Time is an illusion. It is scary how much time is flying. I try not to focus on time too much, but I think about it, of course. But yeah, it's another day. I went to the Beyoncé party last night. It started off slow. The party definitely started off slow, and I was like, ooh. But it definitely picked up as the night went on. It was definitely hosted by Beyonce's dancers. I got to meet Amari last night. super sweet, so beautiful, and such a sweet person. She complimented my outfit. I complimented hers. It was a cute night. And then Honey Balenciaga passed in front of me a couple of times. I didn't chat with her, stop her, but definitely she was there. Like I said, a lot of the Beyonce dancers were there. It was hosted by them. They were in like the VIP section. We were right next to them. And yeah, it was a cute night. And then I hopped in an Uber, got back to my parents' house. I'm here at my parents' house. I'm about to head out with my mom. We're going to the tailor because I want to get two things hemmed and taken in by the waist. My mom is getting something tailored as well. So let's go, y'all. It's another day. Good morning, guys. It is another day. It is May 28th. I am here back at my apartment. I came back early this morning because I had a contractor come into my house to do some work in my apartment. So I had to come over because he said he was going to be here at 9 a.m. I got here at 8:40, so good timing. He got here at 9:30, so it was perfect timing. And yeah, he just stepped out. He came to look at what I needed done, and now he just stepped out to go to the hardware store to get some things, and then he's going to be back to do the work. So yeah, got that going on. Then I was on the phone with T-Mobile because my Wi-Fi and service is down. I found out that it's a outage, a power outage, well, a network outage in my area. So yeah. Hello guys, good afternoon. It is another day. It is May 29th. It is 4:29 p.m. I'm about to head back over to my parents' house because my Wi-Fi is down, and obviously y'all know I need my Wi-Fi to upload videos, do things. Like I need Wi-Fi, and as well as my Wi-Fi being down, my service on my phone is down, so I can't even do like a personal hotspot. My own service of me like loading stuff is down. But what I know, I have T-Mobile, and then I also have T-Mobile Wi-Fi, and there's a T-Mobile outage in my neighborhood, so everything is down. And it's been like this since Monday. When I came over to help my brother move on Monday, we noticed that it was down. But then I ended up going back to my parents' house, so it didn't bother me. So Monday, Tuesday, I was at my parents' house. Then yesterday, I came back to my apartment, obviously, because the people was coming to do work at my apartment. And yesterday was just down all day. It was bad. And then today when I woke up, it was still down. And I'm like, no, I can't do this for another day. So I'm going back to my parents' house for the weekend because I'll let this outage go. I don't know how long it's going to take for them to fix it. Obviously, it's been since Monday. That's 3 days already. So yeah, no, I'm not doing this another day. So I filmed some videos and I was like, I can't even upload them because they're taking forever to upload. So we're gonna go upload to my parents' house. I gotta edit this week's vlog that you're watching right now. So I did that post. Like, it's like, I'm like, the things that I wanna do, I can't upload and show. So yeah, pack the bag, about to head to my parents' house. Hey guys, so I came on to end off the vlog for this week. I haven't ended it. I'm still in my parents' house, as you guys can see. So last time I was on the camera, I don't remember, but I know the last time I vlogged something, I was making spaghetti. I made some good spaghetti. That was Friday. And then yesterday, Saturday, I went to my friend's baby shower. She's having a baby girl in the next 20 days, next 21 days, 21 days. She's gonna be having a baby. Her family had a surprise baby shower for her, so I went and I helped decorate and set up and all of that. And then she was very much surprised. It was a good time, and she looks so good, like so good. Me and Denise have been friends since 7th grade, since we were 12 years old. And this year, well, she's already 32. I'll be 32 next month. So we've been friends for 20 years. So to go from 7th grade to see her now about to be a mom, it's beautiful. And then today I went to church earlier, and then I did some food shopping with my mom and my brothers. And then I just finished cooking. I just put it in the oven. My mom's gonna take it out because I'm about to head out to a fashion show, but that will be in the next vlog, so stay tuned for the next vlog. I just want to come on and end this vlog, and then I'm about to start the new vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you already know, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you think, subscribe to the channel to see more, go check out my previous videos, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, deuces.